Why do we get hiccups? Clapperboard, hook grab attention. You're talking, eating, or just sitting quietly, and suddenly, hiccup. But why do hiccups happen? Brain, scientific explanation. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This causes your vocal cords to close quickly, making that classic hic sound. Light bulb. Fascinating fact. The longest recorded case of hiccups lasted 68 years. Imagine hiccuping every day for decades. Call to action, encourage engagement. What's your go-to trick for stopping hiccups? Drop it in the comments.